Welcome back to our channel where creativity meets functionality and waste reduction is always on the menu. Today we've got something truly special for all the eco-conscious DIY enthusiasts out there. Your support means everything to us and inspires us to keep bringing you the best content possible. So if you find value in our videos, hit that like button and consider subscribing for more amazing DIYs and life hacks. Now let's roll up our sleeves and get creative. Give those glass jars with metal lids a magical makeover. Remove the labels, clean them well, and punch some holes in the lid. Add a battery-powered tea light or string lights inside for a warm, inviting glow. These charming lanterns are perfect for creating ambience on your patio table, mantelpiece, or hanging from tree branches during parties or cozy evenings at home. When you think of blankets, warmth and comfort might spring to mind. Transform plastic lids into funky beads for your next jewelry project. Avoid the temptation to buy expensive gift tags when you can make your own from recycled materials. If you're a fan of vintage travel posters and maps, here's a fun twist for you. Repurpose a CD case as a compass rose. Remove the contents, cut out the center, trace around a compass, and add decorative elements like stickers or stamps. Mount it on your wall and let it guide your adventures. Whether you're replanning a trip around the world or just adding a unique piece of decor to your home, transform shiny plastic packaging, such as the silver layer from Mylar bags, into dazzling glitter for arts and crafts projects. Cut the plastic into tiny pieces and let your creativity shine as you sprinkle this homemade glitter onto cards, scrapbooks, or homemade gifts. Reduce your reliance on single-use plastic bags by creating your own durable shopping bag. Take several clean plastic grocery bags, sew them together along the sides and bottom, and reinforce the corners for extra strength. Add some flair with fabric paint or stencils. Now you have a sturdy and washable bag that you can use time and time again, reducing waste and making a statement wherever you go. It's a great way to add a touch of magic without resorting to store-bought glitter that may contain harmful chemicals. By embracing these creative ideas, you're not only reducing waste, but also diverting valuable resources away from landfills. So share your experiences, spread the word, and let's continue to innovate and inspire each other to make a positive impact. If you found these tips helpful, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more incredible DIY content. Until next time, happy reusing and keep those creative juices flowing. Clean plastic card holders are an excellent canvas for creativity. Keep your plants thriving with minimal effort by creating a self-watering pot using a plastic bottle and a few simple supplies. Poke a small hole in the base of the pot. Insert the tip of a plastic bottle filled with water into the hole. Place your plant in the pot and enjoy the fact that your green friend will stay hydrated without you having to water it manually every day. Use cookie cutters to cut out shapes, then decorate them with markers, stickers, or glitter. Attach a string and tie them onto your gifts for a personalized touch. Alternatively, punch a hole and add a personal message or drawing. Rinse off the lids. Punch holes through the center using a heated nail or screwdriver, and thread them onto a string or wire. These beads are lightweight, waterproof, and surprisingly durable. Did you know that bees are facing challenges worldwide? Help these vital pollinators by building a bee house using bamboo sticks and plastic bottle caps. Securely attach the caps to the sticks using hot glue or zip ties, then mount the finished sticks vertically on a wooden board. Provide multiple entry holes for the bees and place this bee haven in your garden. Experiment with different color combinations to create bracelets, necklaces, or even keychains. Well, you can actually combine those feelings with sustainability by creating a cozy throw using recycled plastic bottles. Cut the bottles into strips, melt them together in a mold, and let them cool to form a soft, textured fabric. This innovative material is not only eco-friendly, but also water-resistant, making it perfect for outdoor use. We're diving into the world of plastic, not for the sake of adding to the problem, but rather being part of the solution. Tired of those boring soap dispensers? Give your bathroom a colorful upgrade by turning plastic bottles into custom soap pumps. Choose a bottle shape you like, wash and dry it thoroughly, cut it to the desired height, and create a pump action by inserting a cork stopper and a straw. Fill it with your favorite soap and enjoy the satisfying pump every time you wash your hands. Say goodbye to wasteful gift bags and hello to a reusable alternative. Transform plastic shopping bags into handy gift hangers. Did you know that plastic bottle caps are excellent sewing practice material? Save your caps, wash them, and cut them into smaller pieces. Mix and match colors and patterns with leftover fabric scraps to create a patchwork pouch. Sew it all together for a quirky, sustainable, and totally unique accessory that's sure to turn heads. Simply wash the bags, iron them to remove any creases, cut them to your desired size, and hem the edges. Those plastic utensils you use once and throw away can actually become beautiful wind spinners. Wash and dry them thoroughly. Cut the handles, leaving you with 2 sections per utensil. Punch a hole near the top of each section, thread some string or yarn, and watch as these vibrant spinners twirl and dance in the breeze. Hang them from your porch or garden for a playful, eco-friendly decoration. These versatile hangers are ideal for displaying greeting cards, keys, or even jewelry. Personalize them with fabric markers or stamps for a thoughtful touch. So get ready to be amazed by 15 incredible ways to reuse plastic items you might want to toss. These ideas will make you rethink recycling and prove that one person as trash is another person as treasure. But before we dive into this treasure trove of ideas, let's take a moment to thank you for being a part of our community. Number 1. Giving new life to plastic bottles. Transforming plastic bottles into vertical garden planters. It's time to put those empty plastic bottles to work. Instead of discarding them, why not transform them into stylish vertical planters? Want to add a splash of creativity to your walls? Here's a fantastic idea for you. Gather a collection of plastic items such as bottle caps, straws, and other Clean them thoroughly, sort them by color or size, and arrange them into an eye-catching mosaic on your wall. Use glue or adhesive tape to secure them in place and you've created a one-of-a-kind work of art that sparks conversation and showcases your unique style. This is an excellent way to save space and add a touch of greenery to your home. Just cut the side of the bottle lengthwise, insert your favorite plants, and then secure the edges together. You can even decorate them with paint or fabric for a unique look. Hang these beauties on your wall or patio, and you've got yourself an eye-catching vertical garden. Number 2. Embracing imperfection. Crafting a unique wall art piece using a variety of plastic materials. Number 3. Reimagining plastic jars. Creating decorative lanterns from glass jars with metal lids. No. Tying the knot in style. Making gift hangers from plastic bags. Number 5. From waste to wardrobe. Creating a stylish pouch from fabric scraps and plastic lids. No. 6. Unleashing creativity. Turning plastic spoons and forks into colorful wind spinners. Number 7. Keeping it cozy. Crafting a warm throw blanket using recycled plastic bottles. Number 8. Getting crafty. Making DIY beads from plastic lids for jewelry and accessories. Number 9. A greener gift wrap. Creating gift tags from plastic card holders. Number 10. Navigating with ease. Making a compass rose from a CD case. Number 11. Saving the bees. Building a bee house using bamboo sticks and plastic bottle caps. Number 12. A splash of color. Crafting soap pumps from plastic bottles and cork stoppers. Number 13. Adding some sparkle. Making glitter from plastic packaging. Number 14. Keeping your plants happy. Creating a self-watering pot from a plastic bottle. Number 15. Fashioning sustainability. Designing a shopping bag from plastic grocery bags. As we wrap up this journey through the world of plastic reuse, remember that every small step counts.